My name is Suvan Kitchlue. I'm from New Delhi, India. I did the Bachelor's of Culinary Arts and Business at a top reputed culinary institute in Wellington. It was the only country in the world that was offering a bachelor's degree in the university I wanted to go to. Ever since I've been young, I've always wanted to open a cafe and finally have one of my own in New Delhi. The institute I went to, the program included both practical and theoretical classes. The hands-on training that we received at the institute, so I can do what I can right now as this cafe owner. Facilities that were present there was some of the best in the world. So problem solving that the university taught us in terms of marketing, we had accounting, projections that might pertain inside the food industry. Very well-known food critic was an external faculty. His name was David Burton, and some of the lessons he taught were some of the best I experienced in New Zealand during those 3 years. Having so many cultures around me really created a safe and a good learning experience. Without that experience, I would say it would have been difficult for me to grasp the skills I have been able to grasp and then use those where I am right now at my cafe. I'm still 27. Opening a cafe that young, I feel the knowledge that the university and the country was able to give me helped me a lot in terms of managing everything myself. New Zealand, where we went for cultural immersion experiences. We met the traditional Maori people. We had traditional Maori food. It was quite nice to know that everything I've done there does amount to something that I do now. Each and every experience was, in a sense, life-changing. I used to go play a lot of sports like football, rugby, basketball. And now moving forward, I have plans for a few cafes in the near future. I'd recommend New Zealand for people who want to make it big in the culinary world or as an entrepreneur itself. Study in New Zealand and learn new every day.